Hello and welcome to DataZar. Today I'm going to show you how to make your phone number and email address clickable on your DataZar website at connect.datazar.com. So go to datazar.com, go ahead and get logged in. We'll click the login button. And that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's go full screen. Okay, so to work on the website, we're going to click on the website button. And we're going to be working with pages. These are all the editing tools. We're going to work with pages today. Just remember the same thing can be done on a post that you can do on a page. So if you want to add your phone number or email to a post, you can do that too. This is the public preview URL. If you're editing your website, use this to review your changes because the changes happen in just a few seconds. If you have a domain, it'll show here. It might take a couple minutes to update. So let's take a look at our website. This is the AAA Outdoor Scenes website. We're going to add our phone number right here on the home page. And then on the Contact Us page down here, we're going to add it up here. Let's go to our blog page real quick. We added this blog here. And this is just the written instructions. So you can find these written instructions. Go to help.datazar.com to find these written instructions. And that's where you're going to find this tutorial video. You know, a couple reasons. It makes it convenient for people to contact you. It dresses up your website. It's a good idea to have it on there. So let's tab back over. So we went from dashboard to the website button. Now let's click on pages because we're going to edit our home index page first. So go to home index, click the edit icon. And we're going to scroll down to the editing screen. Here's the giant redwood tree. So let's go ahead and just put our cursor here. And I'm going to go ahead and go left on that. So the cursor's over here to the left. And contact us anytime. And I'm going to do Shift Enter for a single space. And phone 555-555-5555 and Shift Enter email, and we're going to do hike at AAA Outdoor Scenes.com as our email address. Okay, so this is how you make them clickable. On the phone number, you highlight the phone number. So I'm doing Control-C. Then I'm going to leave that highlighted. So I'm copying it, leaving it highlighted, clicking on the link, and you just add TEL colon in front of the phone number and paste it in. And then how you want it to display is right there. And click OK. And now that phone number is clickable. And then on the email address, we're going to highlight that again, copy it, and then link it up. So we do, on the email address, you do mail to, colon, and then paste in the email address. And then that's how it's going to show on your text to display, and click OK. And then we're going to click Update and go back to Pages. And let's say on our Contact Us page, you wanted to dress that up as well. So we just go here, go down to the editing page. This is actually the contact form here. So put your cursor in front of that, click Enter, then arrow back up. And to make this go faster, I'm just going to copy some words and paste them in. So again, and we bring this back. There's the phone number. There's the email address. Highlight that. Control-C, link it up. TEL, colon, paste it in. We'll go quicker this time. Email address. Copy it. Leave it highlighted. Go to the link. Do mail to, colon, paste it in. Click OK. And then you have your contact form underneath that. Click Update. That's it. So let's go ahead and tab back over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. This is the home page that we just updated. Let's refresh it. And there it is. We have the clickable phone number, the clickable email address. on our Contact Us page. Let's refresh. And there it is. We have the phone number, the email address. They're both clickable. And let's go ahead and tab back over. And real quick, if you have any questions, you need to contact us for any reason, make sure you use the support button right here. And just click on support. And we'll do AAA outdoor scenes. Let me do my email address. And I need help making my phone number clickable. And then you just send a message. Click send. And then thanks for reaching out to us. And then we'll get the email and then we'll reply back to the support ticket. And let's go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to make your phone number and email address clickable on your DataZar website with DataZar Connect.